Just like any other task, creative work deserves a clear plan and measurable goals before work begins. That's where a creative brief comes in. Developing a creative brief allows you to take a proactive approach and outline requirements while planning out your creative work. Hey everyone, I'm Kyla from Venngage. Today, I will walk you through the complete process to a creative brief. Let's begin. So, what is a creative brief? A creative brief serves as the inspiration and guide to a body of work that typically involves team collaboration between designers, copywriters, content marketing, and other departments. The goal is to get all stakeholders aligned with creative requirements, establish key messaging, manage expectations, and make it easy for the creative team to execute successfully. Now, let's look into essential elements of a creative brief. Knowing what to actually put in creative briefs will save you significant time and reduce back and forths with your creative team. A creative brief includes title and description, goals and objectives, audience, messaging and tone, assets and deliverables, stakeholders, budget, timeline, and distribution process. If you're wondering how to get your hands on professionally designed creative brief templates, consider using Venngage. Venngage offers a wide array of pre-designed and customizable templates, and with its online template editor, you can easily edit and download in any format you like. Now, let's learn how to create creative briefs step by step. First, title and description. First, give your creative brief a title. Provide a short description of the creative work so team members understand why they are part of it. Let them know the intention of the creative work. Goals and objectives. At this point in your creative brief, you want to define the specific business need and what the work will accomplish. What does success look like for this particular body of work? As you're writing down your goals, make sure they're measurable. Audience. Outlining your target audience will help better tailor your creative to them. Look for specific insights, and those become your gems of valuable information. Try your best to define what the person looks like by outlining demographics such as age, gender, income level, marital status, or education level. Assets and deliverables. Since your team's work will produce some sort of creative asset, this part of your brief should describe what those assets and deliverables are. Budget. Establishing your budget from the start will help you actually stay in line financially and guide your decision making. Be sure you write down actual numbers and identify costs where you can. Timeline. Establishing a timeline for your work early on will keep you and your team on track. Decide on a start date and end date, and then fill in as many important dates as you can in between. Distribution process. Identifying how your media assets will actually get to your audience is part of your creative brief that can't be skipped. All the hard work you put into every other step of your creative process culminates with an effective distribution strategy. And that's a wrap. Try using Venngage for free. Don't forget to follow us on social media, and I'll see you in the next one.